The Verizon Optical Network Terminal, ONT, fail light indicates a critical issue disrupting your fios service. This red LED signifies a loss of optical signal or an internal hardware fault within the ONT. Specifically, it can mean a loss of optical signal from the fiber cable, insufficient power supply to the ONT, internal hardware failure, such as a faulty transceiver, or a service-side issue originating from Verizon's network. The ONT uses LED indicators to communicate status. Green signifies normal operation, while a solid or blinking red fail light alerts you to a problem that requires attention. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to resolving the issue. When the fail light illuminates on your Verizon ONT, several troubleshooting steps can be taken before contacting support. First, ensure the fiber optic cable is securely connected to the ONT's SC connector. Next, clean the connector with a dry, lint-free cloth to remove any dust. Perform a power cycle by unplugging the ONT power adapter for 30 seconds before reconnecting it. This often resolves minor glitches. Verify that the power adapter is outputting 12 volts DC as required. Replace the adapter if it is faulty. If these steps do not resolve the issue, contact Verizon at 1-800-VERIZON for remote diagnostics and potential technician dispatch. Note that, according to Verizon's internal data from 2025, most issues are often resolved within 45 minutes with self-help.